Hey girly, Pandora here with another video. As you can see by the title, we are doing a Peter Sato inspired look. For Valentine's Day, I am not an artist. I tried my best and I think it came out really cute towards the end. Just let me know what you think down below. And I put hair paint wax in my hair, but I didn't know how I felt about it. So I'm like, but I already washed it out. So we are putting concealer in our hair. I mean, and our eyebrows just so we could like block it out so we could get that bold blue brow that he has in the picture. We are going in with the Juvia's Place on the Masquerade Mini, and we're going in with the color Chi. And I know it looks crazy right now, but just trust the process as I say, because it does come out good. I know it's gonna be kind of chunky and wonky and crazy, but like I said, just trust the process. Now we're going to the Mocha P palette, and we're going to be using the color Cupcake. And before we use the color Cupcake, I am using my concealer to kind of make a heart shape around my face and eye. This honestly does take like a lot of concentration, especially if you're like me and you aren't the best artist. So yeah. Like, would you guys try attempting this look just for fun? Let me know down below. And I am just patting down the concealer to make it dry a little bit faster, and so it could spread more evenly when I do apply the eyeshadow. And I am going in with the color Cupcake again to just line the heart shape so it could be easier to fill in. And then of course we are filling it in with the Cupcake color from Mocha P. And then we're just repeating again. And now we are concealing all over our eyelid and inside the hearts, so the colors can really pop. And then I am going in with the color Cupcake again and just filling it in on the outer edges of the heart. I was trying to copy the picture to a T with the colors that I had. Now we're going into the Juvia's Warrior 3 palette, and we're going to be using the color Fenty. Now we're going to the Bratz Makeup Revolution palette, and we're going to be using the color My Girls. And we're just blending all the colors together here, just making sure it looks seamless and effortless, and it flows together. Now we're going to the Yasmin palette, and we're going to be using the color Zen. And that color is going to be going on the lid. Now we're going to the Juvia's Place palette, the Magic Mini, and I'm going to be using the color Faso. It's like a purple glitter to add a little shimmer to the lid. Now we're going back into the Yasmin palette just to add more sparkle to the lid. We're going to be using the color Feel It. Going back into the Mocha P Beauty palette, we are going to be using the black in the palette. It's called Better Half, and we're going to be using that for our liner. Now we're going back into the Juvia's Place Warriors 3 palette, and we're going to be going into the color Candice. I just want to add a little bit more depth to the eye, so I'm just adding that into my inner corner, not inner corner, the crease, my bad. And then we're going back up lining the eyes with Better Half from Mocha P. And then we're just smudging that out just a little bit. Now we're just quickly adding on some mascara. And then I am concealing my face. And I just found this Black Radiance pressed powder foundation in the color Cafe, and I love it. This is like one of my new favorite foundations now, and I think I'm becoming a pressed powder foundation girl. Now we're going to Maybelline Beauty's a blush in the color Reina. I did tap into some pink eyeshadow too, just to make the blush more pink. And now we're going to the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Strawberry Cheesecake. Since she did have like a glossy pink lip in the picture. Alright guys, this is the complete and finished look. Let me know what you think down below. Is it close to the picture? Kind of close? And would you recreate this look too and give it a shot? Let me know down below, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And follow me on Instagram. Okay, alright, no, bye for real. Okay.